Hi friends from Kangaroo English Facebook group. Today I'm going to make a digression, slide detour in relation about the path that I was following. I'll be anticipating something that I was thinking of approach after more time. I was motivated by a commentary of our friend Rash Spies. We need fill a gap. And the gap is, where is truth? A very easy question to answer, of course. But today, saying the truth about the things is a task of the philosophy, or only debate the criteria about the saying the truth. I looked up some books, some authors, to help me in this task, and I will follow the suggestion of the Brazilian professor of philosophy, Marilena Chauí, in her book Invitation to Philosophy, because her made an interesting approach show us three different traditions that are source or basis to our conception of truth. The first conception comes from the Greek word aletheia. According to her, the word means the non-forgotten because a is a negation prefix and lete means forgetfulness. So, truth would be the self-manifestation of the being to the eyes from the spirit or the eyes from the body of the humans. The truth is a quality of the things itself. Now I want to tell you about the myth of her. Plato narrates us about the place where souls would live before they come from our world. A place where the contemplation of the true is a natural condition. But souls come to our world after crossing the river of forgetfulness, the river of air. And when they do, they will have erased their knowledge. They will forget them. The souls that are least affected in this process will be the most smart or intelligent humans. The second conception comes from the Latin word veritas. In this conception, the truth is not the things itself, but the truth is the conformation between the language and the things. If my enunciate is the adequate form to express something happened or to negate something not happened, I would be saying the truth. Adequatio rei et intellectum is the Latin form. Things and facts would be imaginary or real, but the reports and the statements about them could be true or false. The opposite of the truth, as veritas, is the falsification and the lie. And finally, of the Hebrew word emunah, the truth as a trust. Between a true good God and true friends, there is trust in the word agreed. The truth is the belief that will promise will happen. That conception is present, for example, among researchers who trust in among them. Another conception of truth in your contemporary words is the pragmatism, from the Greek word pragma, which means, in this case, something like the result of action. True is what being shown in action according as predict. Well, the gap is very hard to fill. In Brazil, we have a joke. o buraco é mais embaixo. That means more or less the gap is deeper. However, mind the gap. The story of philosophy is a long journey to find out what is the truth. And the responses are far from definitive. Sometimes the philosopher not agree with the most appropriate method to do it. Sometimes they are more confident in the sense, sometimes just per reason. So the issue will be present in my next videos. It's inevitable. See you soon.